Welcome to Financify. In today's video, I'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to buy stocks on eToro using your mobile. Let's jump right in. First, launch the eToro app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap the search icon at the top of the app. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. For example, Tesla or TSLA. From the search results, tap on the stock you are interested in. This will open the stock's profile where you can see its price chart, stats, and news. On the stock profile page, tap the green trade button at the bottom of the screen. Next, make sure your profile is verified. Then, enter the amount you want to invest. You can switch between investing in amount, for example, $100, or in units, for example, one share by tapping the toggle. Check the stop loss and take profit settings if you want to set limits on your trade. Review your order details, including the amount, current price, and any fees. Tap the Open Trade button to confirm your purchase. And that's it. You have successfully purchased your first stock on eToro using your mobile. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Financify, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.